Hi, this is Nerko and Marketech. In this video we will explore how we can install an SSL certificate on our WHM or CPanel web services to protect our login, to protect ourselves from eventual hackers. So let us do it right now. So I'm logged into my WHM account. This is CentOS. I'm gonna type in here manage services. SSL. Okay, here we're going to see a few options here at the bottom. So we're going to select the first option because we want to secure our WHM services and our CPanel. So we'll click this option. Now click Browse Certificates. Select. I'm going to just go with the first. So this will auto-populate all the fields here. Looks like the certificate authority bundle is going to be taken care of automatically. So just click install. And now we're gonna restart this service. Let's see now. The next thing we need to do redirection to something like this. We're gonna go to tweak settings and then redirection. Find the tab redirection, and there is by default the redirection is off. So we're gonna switch that to on, and we will save. So now we're gonna be able to access a secure CPanel in this form. So your domain colon, and this is a CPanel. WHM is 2087 and mail is 2096, I believe. So I'm going to demonstrate this right now with one of my domains that are here under this WHM. Here's going to go here. So as you can see, the connection is secure. If I go to my DNS, as you can see, this website is under this server manager. So for me, now my secure connection is working. Just to clarify one more time, so how you're going to access the WHM is one of your, whatever, you can have one or several accounts under WHM, so you can use any domain. I'll give you an example. I have under this domain, I have one account under this domain, projectplanet24.com. So I'm just going to use this domain to securely log into my WHM, like for example, this way. Let's say you have 2 or 3 accounts. You can use any of the domains from those accounts to log in by just adding the port 2087 for WHM or 83 for CPanel. But I'm gonna log into WHM right now, and this should work. As you see, let me log out. My connection is secure. And there you have it, WHM. The same thing, like if you log in to CPanel, you'll be able to log in. So if it's abc.com :2083, and for webmail it's going to be :2096 with the same domain. Thanks for watching.